Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Yamaha R1 superbike. This bike is in fantastic condition, metallic black finish with the red highlights. Only 13,000 miles on this amazing R1 with ABS brakes and traction control, fully programmable. Come by, check it out. Price to sell just $12,499. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.